what you want. Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body yada yada. Shorty got that body yada yada. Hit it once, no time. Shut up, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa. This ain't what you want. Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Hey baby, happy 10th birthday. I hope that you enjoy this party and it's everything that you dreamed it would be. I hope that your years to come are filled with love and bravery. And you have a great day today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amir. I hope you get this because I really don't know what I'm doing. But I hope you have a happy, happy birthday and many, many more. Gigi loves you so much. Happy birthday, big boy.
I'm saying happy birthday to Amir. It's your 10th birthday. I'm glad to have you in my life, and I love you very, very much. And I want you to have an awesome 10th birthday. In everything you do, you excel, and I want you to continue your good work. Love you, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Amir Brown. I want to tell you happy birthday. Let you know that I love you so much, and I will see you soon.
This message is for my favorite nephew, Amir. Happy birthday, Amir. We miss you. We love you. Keep growing. Enjoy your day. From your favorite uncle all the way in Orlando. Love you.
Somebody's birthday. I heard it was somebody's birthday. Yeah. PJ Penn's birthday song. Yeah. Today is your birthday. We gon' say it loud. Today is your birthday. I know you're so proud. Today is your birthday. We gon' turn out. Got to throw a party, get it lit and wild out. Cut the cake and we gon' sing. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Amir. We love you and we miss you. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Amir. Tell Amir happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you. We miss you, Amir. Happy birthday.
Amir Brown! What's going on, man? Hold on. See, we in the studio right now working, man. But listen, today is about you, man. I just want to wish you a happy birthday, man. Enjoy, my boy. I love you, Amir.
Hey, Amir, Uncle Bobby and Auntie Tiffany. We want to wish you a happy birthday, buddy, and many more.
Happy birthday, Amir. Auntie Tiffany and Uncle Bobby loves you. Hope you have a great birthday. Love you.
Take care, buddy.
Good morning, Amir. Just want to wish you a happy birthday. Tell you I love you and I miss you. And I'll be seeing you soon. I'm proud of you. And take care of your mom and your grandma, okay?
Hey, Amir. Just sending you this video to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you enjoyed your day. How old are you now again? I keep forgetting.
You're a big boy, so happy birthday. Peace out, Amir.
Happy birthday, Amir. I hope you have an amazing day.
Happy birthday, Amir. Unfortunately, we won't be able to go to your birthday party, but I hope you have a good time and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Amir. I hope you have a great birthday.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.